Hey friends, I hope y'all are having a great day today. If you're new here, my name's Alicia and today's video is part of the Pumpkin Palooza collaboration hosted by Andrea from Digging for Health. I will have the playlist and her channel linked in the description box for y'all, as well as the recipe. Today we are making chocolate chip pumpkin bread. So we're going to start off with the star of the show, which is the pumpkin. Then we're going to add eggs, oil, and a whole lot of sugar. Then we'll be adding in flour, and then I realized that I had missed one of the scoops of sugar, so I add that in, and then I add baking soda and salt, cinnamon. Then I give it a good mix, being sure that everything is combined but not over mixing it. And then I will add in half a cup of chocolate chips. I am halving this recipe because I only have one loaf pan, and then the recipe doesn't call for the chocolate chips. That's the only thing that I think I did differently. If I did anything else differently, I will leave that in the description box. I baked this in the oven at 400 for about 40 to 45 minutes. The recipe calls to bake it in the oven at 350, but I was baking something else that needed to bake at 400, so I just baked this 100 too, and it worked out really well. But you can also bake it in the oven for the temperature and time that the original recipe calls for. This is how much it filled up my loaf pan, and this is what it looked like when it was complete. It was delicious. Jesus loves y'all, and I love y'all too. I hope y'all have a fantastic day. See you soon. Bye.